We're back at Willowfields. We are here for the Built Bought meetup. It is Tina's birthday today.
Hello.
24th of April. I'll show you properly, probably tomorrow, because it's getting on, it's nearly 8 o'clock. Outdoor revolution. Even an old ambulance conversion there. And Tina is hanging. Having to quickly come back to the van. Oh, I'm all on my own now, me and Harvey. You might not have very good sound either because the microphone's packed in on me again. Have a look at Barry, look. They got a chicken on the site, look. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel.
Hello, sun's in my eyes.
Mum's in here somewhere, I don't know if you can see her. We're back at Willowfields. We're on the pitch this time though. Well, we have been all the time. Huh? Yeah, I know all the time in a minute. So we have got something new coming in a minute, but we are here for the Built Bought meetup, so we'll take you around at some point once I've done this, because we've got a new awning which I have no idea how to put it up.
And what else for?
Oh yeah, nearly forgot, it is Tina's birthday today.
Hello.
24th of April, so everyone get in the comments, wish her happy birthday. And I am going to take my coat off in a minute because it is hot. And I've got to put this up as well. So it's only a small one, it's not a big one. Well, hope not anyway. So yeah, so we're at Willowfields with the Built Bought meet. Our first one as well, isn't it, here?
Yeah.
So there'll be a few people here as well that we know that are meant to be turning up. So we'll go and see them as we walk around. So for now, I would have done a time lapse putting it up, but I'm not going to in case it goes wrong. So this is before, and then you'll see the after. Catch you in a bit. Hello everybody. Oh, pooped out now. Got it up. Saplet. Yeah, there's a lot of mozzes, isn't there? Here is everybody.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah, it's your Tina's birthday. Built Bought meetup at Willowfields Campsite. How long did that take me? About an hour?
Something like that.
Yeah, it's warm me up now. Show you around. I'll give you a quick show around. So I don't think it's up brilliantly. I've done what I could, but it'll do. It'll do.
You can sit in that bit if it starts raining, can't you?
Yeah, but it ain't going to rain this weekend, I don't think. I don't know. There's loads of mozzies about.
Where's the airbed? It's up
Lovely.
bed, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm a pumping it.
Plug in the power station and then pump it up.
Can I do it here?
Yeah. So yeah, what we'll do, we'll get this finished and then I'll come back to you and show you around. Right, there it is. All done. I'll show you properly, probably tomorrow, because it's getting on, it's nearly 8 o'clock. Outdoor revolution. Take you around, look. So obviously this is like the awning section. And this is like the living area for like beds and things. Comes down there, but I'll show you properly anyway. I'll give you a quick glance around. We'll show you inside probably tomorrow. I'll do it as a separate video maybe. Then that side. So yeah, it's a lovely awning. So just waiting for Tina to sort Harvey out. Go and get something to eat because we're starving. We haven't eaten. It's nearly 8 o'clock. So. Look how packed it is here now, look. The tent's all down here. Lovely sunset tonight, though. Even an old ambulance conversion there. Have you seen that, Mum? That old ambulance conversion, look.
Yeah, I know.
That's good. Well, we'll take you with us as we go around. Because it's our first time here, so we'll have a nosy as we shoot around. Go down there probably tomorrow. We're just heading straight to the bar, so I'll just give you a quick glance as we walk to it. Because I want to try and get a video out of today, even though we're here late. So, might just be a lot of chatting in this one. So, I'll just get a picture whilst we're here. That can be my thumbnail for as we get here. Let's have a walk to the bar, get something to eat. Because everyone else is mentioning. What?
Have a drink.
Have a pint. Packed, isn't it? good to see though, because every time I come it's quiet. Give you a quick glance, take you around properly tomorrow. It's just to get a video out of today. Where did you see Eddie and that, Andrew?
Near the car.
Oh, right.
But I didn't know where Eddie was. I think he was sort of...
So I think, oh wow, look at that smart car over there. Oh wow, that's cool.
Joe!
Oh yeah, we've got Joe and Barry now. All right.
Which is there?
Who's? Don't know where they are, to be honest. Yeah, a little bit hazy on the camera as well, because obviously the sun's going down.
Yeah, last time I seen Rachel, she was over there. She was sat over there.
We'll find them, don't worry.
Tim and Sarah's van's over there. Oh, that must be Johnny's soft play thing, man. It's not open. So that's, I think that's Johnny's one. Little soft play for the kids. Let's get something to eat. Already started eating. Look. Already started eating. Hello. Nom nom nom.
Look.
Hopefully, yeah. Hopefully, in the music, it can't pick it up from here. It's getting dark now, as you can see behind me.
Spilling it.
So, cheers everybody, and cheers for happy birthday for Tina.
Thank you.
What? Yeah, I know. Rammed. Look at it. We'll show you more tomorrow. Nice vans though. He said they're down the bottom. Go and see Rachel and Eddie. Yeah, it's full here, isn't it? I think I'm going to have to turn this camera off soon because it's in low light, but it's still bad. It's not very good in the dark. Yeah, we were. What pitch were we on? We were on 20.
We were on 23.
No, it weren't that one.
What?
Yeah, I know.
We were on 22.
They're gone in.
I don't know.
We were on 22.
Yeah.
They're going back in there.
Oh, see. Go down there, see if we can see them. Nice old T25 over there as well. Look at this van here.
That's not on, is it,
They
Brian?
got normal door.
No. Look at that one.
Door.
Cow one.
Oh, Martha and the Van Dwellers.
It's a zebra.
That's cool, isn't it? It's an old Iveco.
Zebra.
Zebra.
It's a nice van, that.
It's zebra.
That's
The
a
zebra.
cow.
You said they're down right at the bottom, just off the pictures. I bet they're just down here. We'll see.
Oh, so it's them there.
So we'll catch you in a bit when we're back because it's too dark. Catch you shortly. Hello everyone, good evening. It's late, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. We're a little bit tipsy. It's bedtime. Tina's here.
I've had a good birthday.
You haven't, you?
Yeah.
But it's time for bed now.
I'm knackered.
Both tired. Just going to get into bed. I've got Diesel later on for a little while. Just to warm it up in here a little bit.
Have to take the audio.
But yeah, had a great time so far, even though we got here a bit late, didn't we?
Yeah.
But oh well, we've had a good time with Rachel and Eddie and their friends. I can't remember the names off the top of my head because I'm half cat.
Oh, you are.
Oh, a bit tipsy, yeah. So anyway, we're going to leave this one here. So don't forget, do all those good things for us. Give us a like, give us a share, give us a comment, give us a subscribe. Do all those good things for us, and don't forget to hit the hype button as well. We truly, truly appreciate it.
Yeah.
What's that? Oh, eggs. Eggs in my bed. I don't know where to put them, like, I ain't got a clue. Just gonna have to put them on this seat or something in here for now. So yeah, so do all those good things for us. It'll be truly appreciated. Right. Good night, everybody. We love you all lots. We'll catch ya on the next one very soon. Ta-da, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we will see you all again very soon.